Does YouTube TV work in Mexico? No, YouTube TV does not work in Mexico. It is only available in the United States due to licensing agreements and regional restrictions. However, you can use a virtual private network, a VPN, to access YouTube TV from Mexico. Here's how. Step number 1, choose a reliable VPN service. Select a VPN provider with strong US server options and reliable streaming capabilities. Make sure the VPN supports devices like smart TVs, mobile phones, and laptops. Step number 2, install the VPN application. Download and install the VPN app on your device. Follow the installation instructions specific to your device. Step number 3, connect to a US server. Open the VPN app and connect to a server located in the United States. Ensure the connection is successful to obtain a US IP address. Step number 4, access YouTube TV. Visit the YouTube TV website or open the app on your device. Sign into your account and stream content as if you were in the United States. Step number 5, verify your payment method. Ensure your YouTube TV subscription is linked to a US-based payment method as this is required for the service. Step number 6, troubleshoot VPN issues. If YouTube TV detects the VPN, try switching to another US server. Use a premium VPN service to reduce the risk of detection and improve streaming performance.